We're here to celebrate Annabelle and Ed's love.
Let's run away and find a field of sunflowers.
I'm Emma Wilson, the woman behind the camera of these stunning weddings all around the world. I absolutely love my job and I'm so proud of what I've achieved in the last 10 years, building my company Story of Your Day into a highly prestigious wedding film brand.
Both have a love for the snow, mountains and of course skiing.
I'm sure you share the same ethos and goals as I do. That family life, business success and personal satisfaction are not three different things, but they are one. And that's why I'm also passionate about inspiring and empowering others to achieve the same personal fulfillment. The Wedding Film Academy for Female Filmmakers is an invitation to you, a creative, tenacious and talented filmmaker, but you're stuck.
I've been privy to Hayden and Vicky's romantic, tumultuous, crazy, loving relationship.
It's my belief that nothing should block you from achieving your goals, and while it might feel that COVID-19 has set you on pause, this is now the perfect time to invest in you and take your business to the next level. It's also the reason why I decided to bring my highly curated and successful trainings online into your studio, office or home, wherever you are.
I wished it to be sunny today, and just like everything else, it's come true.
This is an online course like no other. It's immersive and hands-on and will enable you to improve your filming and storytelling skills, upgrade your packages and pricing with certainty, and promote yourself with clarity in a highly competitive market. You will overcome frustrations and gain confidence with access to my knowledge, skills, and industry insight. You'll be given the tools to make more money, allowing you to be more fulfilled and make an impact. And all of this will be made easy for you because you'll be learning it all from me, a Canon recognised filmmaker, a Women Who Photo and Film ambassador, and a trusted trainer with a proven track record within the wedding industry and beyond.
You're so on it.
Join me. I want to take the uninitiated newcomers and advanced filmmakers on a journey to achieve personal satisfaction, to be the best you can be. I'm looking forward to you signing up and getting started. It's your time to evolve.